Hi everyone, welcome to Classical Piano Workshop with your host, Tony Winston. And I'm going to cover some songs. You know, we can't just study classical all the time. I'm going to cover a couple of really fun songs from this book, which is out of print, but if you want the songs, you can click on the link in the description below and just print them right out. You don't have to put in your email or anything like that. Okay, the first one is called Long Tall Texan. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you. Here we go. Okay, Long Tall Texan, a real honest-to-goodness blues song here. And you should follow this fingering. See, 2, 1, 2, like that. And then everything's right under your fingers up there. Then you do it again. All right, and just stay right in that spot and go. All right, and then it does it again. Right, so it's kind of the same thing twice, though the left hand will change a little bit. Let me do it really slowly for you. Okay, and then at the end of the song here where it says, well, people, okay, and the place where students tend to have a problem is right here on these 5 C's. So I think the song actually goes along a little too fast to really count out the rhythm. I mean, you can do it, of course, but it might be easier just to count 5 C's. Like that. Okay, now here's the left hand, and this is a really common blues pattern, especially on guitar, but also on piano. Okay, so you just put it together very easily. Now make sure you move up to C here. C is the bottom note. And back to G. Now keep your thumb right here on D. Now that's a little something I added, and that's really a very typical blues turnaround, but it'll let you play the song through twice. So you do those 5 C's. And then right back to the beginning. And then the second time, and I like to play a G and a D here, even though the book doesn't say that, and also the B and the F here, because if you put the pedal down and roll them a little bit, you can put a little blues ending on there. So that's Long Tall Texan. Thanks for watching. Click down there on the link and it'll go right to the PDF and you can print it out, and it's an easy song to learn and pretty fun too.